Okay, first violins. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and clap and count the rhythm from the pickup to 7 down to 16. So you clap and count. I'll help you out a little bit. So 1, it says cut time, by the way. We're going to pretend like it's in 4/4 for right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the melody right here. And you have a 3/4 half step. So that's going to look like this. I'm going to have my first finger 1, and then I'm going to play a high 3 and a 4. But I'm not going to put my 4 down like this and then just put my high 3 down. So it's da, dee, da, da. I'm putting them down together. Bum, ba, da, dum. Bum. Try that with me. Ready, go. 1, da, da, da. So you're going to put your 3 and 4 down together. You can put your 2 down if you want. Da, dee, da, da. Da, dee, da, da. Okay. All right. Other than that, if you look at our key signature, we have a low 2 on the A string and a low 2 on the E string. Okay. So your finger pattern is going to be C natural, G natural, except where they have that sharp, in which case you're going to put that sharp down right there. Okay. All right, so let's try this together. So pick up to 7 all the way to 16. So if you want to pluck along the first time, you can. If you want to bow along, that's fine too. 1, 2, 3. Rest. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. So obviously the whole point of this piece in terms of teaching something is that high 3. See how many times this happens through the piece? I mean, it's kind of everywhere, that high 3 right there, okay? So that is the most important thing in this piece, is learning how to play this 4 high 3 pattern, okay? Also notice we have a slur, up, up, and measure 10. Play this with, or go ahead and play this. Ready, set, go. Slur, up, up. Play it again. 3, 4. Slur, up, up. And make sure that's a low 2, right? All right, let's do this whole thing again. 1, 2, 3. Rest. Rest. Up, up. Rest. Rest. Great. So practice that as many times as you need to get all those in. And we have those staccatos right there. Go ahead and mark this in as well. Measure 14, 4th finger. We definitely don't want an open E there, okay? Same thing with all these. Everything's going to be 4, 3, 4 every time you get it with a high 3. It's a sharp 3 right there, okay? Your next melody is at 18. So go ahead and clap and count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's look here. We have some 4th fingers on the E string. Okay, but that's not a high 3 there. So we're gonna have to put a big space between our 4, our 3, and our 2, because there's a big space and a big space. So we should have this. First finger, low 2, third finger, fourth finger. See how stretched out that is? Okay, make sure we don't do this, make sure we don't do that. First, low 2, 3, 4. Okay, so pick up to 18. Let's go ahead and find our fourth finger. So play your first finger, low 2, 3, 4. Play it till you match it. Okay, pick up to 18. 1, 2, slur. 4, up, up. Fourth finger, up, up. Up, up. Lot of fourth fingers. Like I said, this is the theme here. You're getting really strong fourth fingers. Notice you do have a high 3 right there, right? Otherwise, big space, 4, 3, 2, 1, right? On the E string, looks like that. Okay, let's do it again. And 1, 2, 3. Fourth finger. Up, up. Fourth finger. Up, up. Up. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Rewind, repeat as many times as you need to. 29, clap and count. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I totally messed that one up. Let's try that again. 29, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 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 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how we have a lot of staccatos and then slurs. So let's make sure we hear them. Nothing special with the fingering, except we do have an F sharp, right? We're on the D string. If you look at our key signature, we're in the key of G. So that's a 3-2 half step right there, right? F sharp. But when we get to the A string and the E string, it's a low 2. Okay? 29. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Lift, lift, lift. Do it again. This time let's try the dynamics. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Measure 40. We don't need to clap and count this because it's just eighth notes and quarter and one quarter note. You do see the lift though. See that little apostrophe at measure 40? And see where it says sub P, creche? That means subito, which if you guys remember means suddenly, piano, crescendo. So we're gonna be suddenly soft and then we're gonna get louder. And it's kind of a staccato-y bow. Eventually it'll end up being bouncing right there. Okay, so right now we can just use staccato. Measure 40. 1, 2, and 3, and lift. Lots of fourth fingers here, guys. Here, 2, 3, 4. Again, that pattern where we have to open up our 2 and our 3 and our 4 so they're not touching each other. Okay, and then right here, lots of 4, 3. Do not play an open E here. Absolutely no. You can play it here because we're going to the E string. See how we're going up there? But here it's got to be 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3. E is fine there. E's fine here because we're on the E string, right? Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. Measure 40 with dynamics. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's how far I expect you guys to get in the next week and 3 days. Let's try it from the very beginning, okay? I'm gonna go a little bit faster. You don't need to go on to this part, doing the whole thing, sorry, until you have rewind and practice all of those little parts all by themselves many, many, many times, okay? Purpose of this video is not just to go straight through, it's to stop, rewind, okay? Just like we would in class. All right, from the top. 1, 2, 3. Set your fingers. Lift, lift, lift. I made a mistake at 21 right here. I'm gonna start right here so we can play that. I accidentally played these as eighth notes and they should be quarter notes. So start to pick up to 21. 1, 2, 3. Good.